20, we want to find the value of the different variables. So what we have here is nothing given in the 30, 60, 90 triangle, but we do have right here that this is 45 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with this 45, 45, 90 triangle. So we have here is 45, 45, 90, x square root 2. We are given the longest length, which is 2 square root 6. We want to find out what the value of the 45 is going to be. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to equal these two out, the answer to the ratio. So we have 10 square root 6 is equal to x square root 2. So what we're going to do from here, I'm going to divide both sides by square root 2. Square root 2. You get 10 times 6 divided by 2. The reason why these radicals go together is because they have the same power, which is negative half. They both have a power of half, so you can combine them. So 6 divided by 2 becomes 3, so you get 10 square root 3 is equal to x. So that would be for both of these answers. 10 square root 3, 10 square root 3. Alright, and so the next thing we have is we need to focus on this triangle, the 30, 60, 90 triangle. X square root 3, and then we have right here 2x. What we are given is this 10 square root 3, which is 30. Oh, we're lucky here. 10 square root 3. So we can just kind of start plugging things in because we have the basic thing everything's compared to. So then we plug this in, 10 square root 3 times square root 3 becomes 10 times square root 9, which becomes 10 times 3, which becomes 30. So right here, 60 degrees, our y is equal to 60. Then we go back to our 30. Then we plug that into the 2 times, and we get 2 times the square root, or 10 times the square root of 3, which would just become 20 square root of 3. So our right angle just becomes the 20 square root 3. So our 3 answers here for the odd, or for the other triangle would be 10 square root 3, 30, 20 square root 3. So there you have it. That's your answer for number 20.